this is Maya. Welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I have come up with another recipe. It's instant Mooli paratha. For instant Mooli paratha, we need grated Mooli or radish, and I've added some cilantro and chopped green chillies, and we need salt separately, and we need wheat flour paste, that is wheat flour. I put some water, added some water and mixed it up to make this paste. And we need leftover roti, or maybe the ready-made available roti in the Walmart or anywhere where somebody can make roti for you. And we need some butter. Let's start the recipe. We need to apply wheat flour paste on edges. A big spoon or scoop of grated radish. Just spread it out and sprinkle some salt. I'm not adding this salt to the veggie. If I add this, then the water will be coming out, extracted from it. And place one more roti on this and just give a light press at the edges. Press the edges so that they get sealed, and do this on the low flame, and tawa has to be hot. So once it turns golden brown color at the bottom, then we need to flip it. I already did flip, and just apply some butter on the top. This is perfect for people who cannot do roti, especially most part of the south, and even this is good fit for bachelors or any singles or working woman who doesn't have much time, even for kids who are away from home and they are studying. So for students, this is one of the good fit. They can eat lots of veggies. I'm going to flip the other side. Yeah, it looks nice. And I'm going to apply some butter. I'm applying very little butter. And plate it. Any pickles or chutneys. Today I'm eating with the spicy barbecue bell pepper chutney. And now it's time for taste test. This is and some chutney. It's yum. For full description, check in the description box below. If you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel for notifications, and see you with next recipe. Until then, bye.